G'day guys, it's David here from CoinSpot. Welcome to my channel. It's your first time here, big warm welcome. Returning subscriber and viewer, big warm welcome back. I really appreciate your support. As you most probably know, I haven't been very active on the CoinSpot channel in the last month because I was overseas for the last month over in Thailand. But I'm back now, so I'm back in action. And if anyone wants to subscribe to my travel channel, it's called Davo, On The Go with Davo. And it's On The Go with Davo, and I'll subscribe you back. And yeah, today's video is a mail call, and I got some mail from our good friend Howard Coin Finds, which a bit of surprise. And here it is. Here I just got out the post box this morning, so we'll open it up and see what he sent. Hope everyone's been good while I've been away, and I had a great time overseas. I've done a lot of videos and caught up with a lot of friends over there and made new friends. And okay, we've got it open. Let's see, there's an envelope here. Okay. Oh, cool. They sent me another sticker. There it is, that awesome sticker. I've got your one over here, Howard. So beautiful. Okay. He's got a note here. Just read it quickly. Make sure it's nothing personal. Lots of miles of floats. Cool. Let's have a look at this. Okay. There's a box here. It says Golden Rocket 022. Okay, what do we got here? Oh. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. Okay, where's that knife? Oh wow, check these out. It's Hot Wheels 2000. Wow, these are old. That's beautiful. They're gonna look really nice in my collection. Oh, check this one out. It's even got the Hot Wheels logo on it. Oh, these are so cool. Wow. Oh, check this beauty. Hot Wheels. They used to make it. This is 2001. They used to make them in Malaysia in 2001. Check this one out. That's a ripper. There's one more here. Oh man. Wow. This is an absolutely classic. It says classic too. Check this. Mate, I don't know what to say, Howard. This is such a generous gift. This one's from 1980. Wow, that's Over 40 years old. 42 years old. Look at that. 1937 car. Man. I'm absolutely stunned, Howard. Mate, I really appreciate this. This has got a look so nice in my collection. So everyone, if you're not subscribed to Howard, he's got a fantastic channel. He does a lot of noodling. He goes through all the all like errors, and he'll give you mintages of the coins. And he chases up all the imperfections on the coins, the errors that are coming out, especially on the 50-cent pieces. And yeah, he's got live streams now. I went to catch his live stream this morning, but it was a recorded video, so I just missed it. I made a coffee, I sat down, and I went into the live stream, and he had already finished it. So yeah, drop on over there, hit that smash that subscribe button, give it a like, drop some comments, mate, and just don't watch the first video, his last video. Go through in there. I'm sure there's got to be a lot of other videos in there that you're going to like as well. Okay, so thank you very much, Howard, mate. I really appreciate this. You didn't have to do it. Thanks, buddy. Okay, guys. While I'm still here, I've got where are they? Oh, I bought some Thailand banknotes back, but I thought I had them here with me. Yes, I do. I've got a bundle of banknotes. I've got to start giving some banknotes, Thailand banknotes away in giveaways. I've got to get back onto me giveaways probably next week or the week after. I've got a lot of catching up to do here. Got a lot of washing that I bought back, and got to go pay all the bills and everything. So these are all the banknotes I've kept like from in the change, because I wasn't near a bank much in Thailand, and when I was, there was too many people in there, or I had some excuse not to go into there. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, drop a comment, and tell us what you think of those Ripper cars that Howard sent me. And stay safe. We see you all soon. Bye-bye. Ciao.